What's the safest method to lose weight? Let's talk about it. Obesity is endemic. Nearly 40% of U.S. adults are obese. Obesity increases the risk of metabolic disorders, including diabetes and heart disease. Losing weight is not just cosmetic, it's vital for your health. The absolutely safest way to lose weight, confirmed by experts and multiple research studies, is to expend more calories than you consume. It's basic math. You need to consume less calories than you burn daily. 3,500 calories of energy equals to about a pound of body fat. Burning or cutting 500 calories a day can lead to a pound of body fat lost per week. First, you need to determine your basal metabolic rate, which is how many calories you need just to survive, and then your caloric expenditures, how active you are, including exercise. Basically, the formula for basal metabolic rate is 1,000 calories per the first 5 feet of height, and then 100 calories per inch for women and 150 calories for men. So, if you're a woman 5 foot 5 inches tall, your basal metabolic rate is approximately 1,500 calories. Some people will have a higher basal metabolic rate and some lower basal metabolic rates. If you consume less calories, then you will lose lean body mass, breaking down vital tissues, muscles, and bones. The first way to lose weight is proper meal timing. You want your highest calorie meal to be breakfast, and you want to fast after dark. So consume the majority of your calories early in the day. The best diet for metabolic health is the Mediterranean diet. Consume less calories than you expend. Increase your expenditure by exercising. Just cutting calories will help you lose weight, but you'll have trouble maintaining that weight loss if you don't follow a more balanced diet. The Mediterranean diet actually has been shown to benefit not just maintenance of ideal body weight, but improvements in total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, HDL cholesterol, triglycerides, glucose, hemoglobin A1C, systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Improved metabolic health is the most important aspect of weight loss. Your hypothalamus actually controls your metabolism as well as your weight set point, glucose metabolism, and how much fat you store, as well as how much energy you burn. It's important that you support your hypothalamus for optimal function in order to lose weight safely and maintain that weight loss. Genesis Gold can help optimize hypothalamus function, decrease insulin resistance, and raise your metabolism to help you lose weight. But it does take time and must be accompanied by a healthy diet and exercise. If you have any questions about safe weight loss and want access to the nutritional and exercise plans I recommend for my patients, please join us in our free Hormone Reboot Training. I'll see you in the next video.